How to remove CapCut template watermark. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in this video we will see how we can remove CapCut template watermark. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to launch the CapCut application and make sure you have one of your template ready to export. Once you have your template ready, now you have to tap on the export button from the top right corner. Now from this pop-up box and your interface at the very end, there it says remove watermark free. So make sure you have checked that check mark, and after you do that, simply tap on export, and with that your template will be exported without the CapCut watermark. There you can see this video has been exported without watermark. So that's how you export CapCut template without watermark, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.